In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to Google Form. By the end, you'll know how to control who can view, submit, and even edit your form and how to add a simple password. StyleGate to protect the rest of your questions. If you are using a Google Workspace account for work or school, start by opening your form and going to the Responses section in Settings. Toggle on Restrict to users in your organization. This ensures only people who are signed in with an account from your domain can open and submit the form. It's a quick way to keep the form internal without sharing it broadly. Next, consider turning on Limit to One Response. This requires respondents to sign in with a Google account, which prevents multiple submissions from the same person. It's great for clean data and fair participation. Though remember, it removes true anonymity since sign-in is required. If you need to close the form completely, head to the Responses tab and toggle off Accepting Responses. Add a custom message so anyone who opens the link understands the form is closed, and if appropriate, when it might reopen or where to find more information. When sharing the form with respondents, avoid the Add Collaborators menu. That option is for people who will help you build or edit the form. To distribute the form to respondents, always use the Send button and copy the link or send it via email from there. This prevents accidentally granting edit rights to respondents. To lock down editing, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Add Collaborators. Under General Access, make sure it's set to Restricted. That way, only specific people you invite by email can edit the form and no one else can make changes if the link is shared. To add a password style question, click the three dots within the question you plan to use as the gate and choose Response Validation. Set the rule to regular expression, choose Matches, and enter a password you'll share with authorized respondents, then mark that question as required. With this in place, respondents cannot move to the next section or see the rest of your questions unless they enter the correct password. With these settings working together, you tightly control who can see your form, who can submit, who can edit, and whether the form is open at all. Thanks for watching.